Hi, Teal Room. We are coloring an umbrella, and because we are working on number 4 this week, we have number 4 up here, and we have numbers down here. We are going to glue the raindrops on the matching number, and then we can count the raindrops. You were all given this umbrella, and I just added the numbers on with a marker. All right, Kai, are you ready?
Yes.
Find number 1 and glue it on. We are practicing following directions by listening to the number. Is that number 1? By listening to the number that I say and then matching it. Great. Find number 3.
No, 2.
Tricked you. Number 3.
2.
You want to do number 2? Okay, do
We
number 2.
still is after 1.
Okay. Find number 3. And find number 4. And then we are going to count the raindrops with Teal Room. Teal Room, can you count with us? Ready? Let's count the raindrops. 1,
2,
3, 4. There are 4 raindrops on this umbrella. Nice job.